you have to give wrong answers only. Okay, while balancing, all right?
Okay, sure.
3, 2, 1, start. What is your name?
Arsene Wenger.
आपने ना बहुत प्यारी बात बोली MS धोनी के बारे में कि किस तरह से वो हमेशा V वाला प्रिंसिपल यूज करते हैं, नॉट I वाला, and that's how it has been translated to players, and that's how he's built a legacy even in the Chennai camp. The man behind the stumps, his name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I mean, he always says control the controllables. So, what is the best piece of advice that you have ever received from MS Dhoni? What would you like to tell everybody?
Rising early, I think, makes a lot of difference. The culture is quite similar even in Mumbai and even in Chennai. It's more team oriented. It's more of taking care of the entire team, looking after each other as family.
Aditya Tare is the only human being in the history of this universe who can get Rahul Dravid upset. Camera la dakho. Aditya Tare's moment.
Iconic MI fan moment.
Iconic MI fan moment.
I was just waiting whether the Rohit or Anil Bhai would change the decision or send Bhaji Bhai to bat, but no one said anything. Yeah, you're the one. Just go.
Okay, we are going to step out of the frame. You're going to take us frame by frame through what you did over there.
And all I wanted to do was run towards the north stand of the Wankhede Stadium, where all the Mumbai lovers, the Mumbai local guys are always there, packed up in the north stand. I wanted to celebrate that moment with those fans of MI, those loyal cricket lovers of Mumbai. So
welcome to another exciting episode of मित्रों ये है तन की बात. Adi, you want to do it with me? तन की बात. 1, 2, 3. Tan ki baat. Aditya Tare with us, former Mumbai Indians wicketkeeper batter, played for the Hyderabad team, played for the Delhi team, captained the Mumbai team in the Ranji finals. In fact, 2 बार फाइनल में आपके साथ ही पहुंच चुके हैं, राइट? मुंबई की टीम. उत्तराखंड के लिए खेलते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स ब्रॉडकास्ट करते हैं. He's been a school senior, college senior, and yes, of course, ruling everybody's heart. The only man in the history of Indian cricket who could get Rahul Dravid angry. The only man in the history of Indian cricket who got the Indira Nagar ka gunda out of Rahul Dravid. Aditya Tare with us. Thank you so much for joining me, brother.
Thanks.
It's amazing having you here. भाई के कैंप में मुंबई खेमे में अक्सर क्या करते हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स देखते हैं. जैसे कि जो प्लेयर्स को चुना भी जाता है टीम में, उन्हें ग्रूम किया जाता है. जैसे कि विमेंस टीम का अगर हम देखें तो साइका इशाक को लेके आई थी झूलन गोस्वामी. पहले सीजन में साइका इशाक ने बहुत बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी की. दे इन्वेस्टेड इन दिस प्लेयर बिकॉज दे न्यू कि ये ट्रम्प कार्ड बनेगी, और उन्होंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी की थी इन द फर्स्ट विमेंस टूर्नामेंट दैट हैपेंड. Yes, she's improving. Yes, she's learning. Second season was not that great for her compared to the first season. But to take that punt, to take that leap of faith, Mumbai की टीम जाने जाती है for this kind of culture.
Yeah. I mean, I think I've spent a lot of time with MI, the franchise in general.
2010 में आपको पिकअप किया था पहली बार.
2010 until I played out of the 12 seasons. 10 seasons I played for Mumbai in the IPL. So I know how the franchise works and how crazy it is in terms of picking talent. Of spotting, younger guys, younger players, how they take care and nurture, give them the platform, give them the opportunities and prepare them well. They just take care of you. When the season is not going on, you can still come to their facility, train. The trainers, physios, coaches are available. So they look at the overall growth of the player, and which kind of gives you during the season, it gives you those moments.
That boost, that extra kick that you need during the matches in the game. तो pre बहुत preparation होता है for this on season. एक इंसान है which we all dig and are in love with, the man behind the stumps. His name is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I mean, he always says control the controllables. So, what is the best piece of advice that you have ever received from MS Dhoni? What would you like to tell everybody?
Well, I haven't spent a lot of time with MSD, unfortunately, but I've played and watched him a lot. I keep, listening to him whenever he, has lots of advices to give. I think one of the key advice that he's given to Hardik Pandya, when he asked him, how do you deal with, in the center, what should I do? So he always said that when you go into bat, you look at the scoreboard, what the score reads, what does my team require at that moment in time?
Right.
How do you get the pressure of your own performance or of your own self?
Right.
Is to look at the team score, look what the team requires of you in this very moment, and if you play according to that, I think you take the pressure of your own performances, you look for a larger vision, and in life also, whenever we look at the larger picture or a bigger purpose, I think it gives you more satisfaction, more joy than you think about yourself or your a smaller thing in life. So
आपने ना बहुत प्यारी बात बोली MS धोनी के बारे में कि किस तरह से वो हमेशा V वाला प्रिंसिपल यूज करते हैं, नॉट I वाला, एंड दैट्स हाउ इट इज बीन ट्रांसलेटेड टू प्लेयर्स, एंड दैट्स हाउ ही इज बिल्ड अ लेगेसी इवन इन द चेन्नई कैंप. कि कोई भी चेन्नई के कैंप में जाता है, इवन इफ ही इज प्लेइंग बैड, लैंड्स अप प्लेइंग ब्यूटीफुली वेल. देयर इज अ डिफरेंट कल्चर इन द चेन्नई कैंप दैट हैपेंस.
Well, I don't think anyone whose players that I know have ever had a bad experience or ever had something to complain about. So it talks a lot about the culture. It talks a lot about the leadership.
Huh.
You know, the franchise, how it works, and you can see the record. Like who've won, you know, crazy amounts of trophies, and their record is phenomenal. That is why, I mean, the culture is quite similar even in Mumbai and even in Chennai. It's more team oriented. It's more of taking care of the entire, you know, team, looking after each other as family, and that kind of transforms, you know, into the field as well. Transfers into the.
So many years of playing cricket. आपने फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट खेला है, आपने इंडियन T20 लीग खेला है, लेकिन स्लीप रेस्ट एंड रिकवरी भी बहुत इसेंशियल है. एज एन एथलीट आपको रिकवर करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. एज मुंबईकर ऑल्सो वी आर एथलीट्स रनिंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी. लाइक आप 22 गज की पट्टी वो भागते थे और स्टंप्स के पीछे दस्तानों के साथ जैसे आप बचाते हैं, विकेट्स लेते हैं, डाइव मारते हैं. मुंबईकर ऑल्सो ऑलमोस्ट डूइंग द सेम थिंग. व्हाई स्लीप रेस्ट एंड रिकवरी मोस्ट इसेंशियल?
Well, I think, you know, to start the day fresh and, like I said, training or, you know, having a fit life for a long period of time, to sustain that intensity, you need to rest and recover well. So, in terms of maintaining the intensity of your training, of your, you know, energy levels, I think the rest recovery part is very essential in terms of sleeping at the same time, waking up at the same time. You know, rising early, I think, makes a lot of difference. So I have noticed it, and it's not that I always rise or get up early, but whenever I do, I think my day goes well. So sleeping early and getting up early makes a huge difference.
So try to do that as much as possible. एक चीज, like I mentioned in the very beginning, Aditya Tare is the only human being in the history of this universe who can get Rahul Dravid upset. 2014 का वो सीजन, राजस्थान के खिलाफ वो मैच, मुंबई को चाहिए था, आई थिंक 4 रन चाहिए थे कि 6 चाहिए थे.
So yeah, boundary चाहिए था.
बाउंड्री चाहिए था टू क्वालिफाई फॉर द प्लेऑफ्स. नेट रन रेट का वो हिसाब चल रहा था वहां. आदित्य तारे कम्स इन. इट वाज आई थिंक इट वाज एंडरसन जिसने 95 कुछ मारे थे तभी. राइडू रन आउट हुए थे और आप आ गए थे वहां पे. एंड ही जस्ट, एंड जेम्स फॉकनर इज बॉलिंग. Dude, that's 60. I have goosebumps. Like, dude, I have goosebumps thinking about that moment. Yeah. Yes. इकडे अतुल बितुल इकडे. कॅमेराला दाखव. आदित्य तारे's moment.
Iconic MI fan moment.
Iconic MI fan moment. Atul, you want to say something?
थँक्यू आदित्य त्या सिक्ससाठी. तो सिक्स खूप महत्त्वाचा होता. माझा भाऊ आहे, तो MIचा खूप मोठा फॅन आहे. जर त्याच्या नावाने मला फक्त या फोटोवर एक तुझं सिग्नेचर मिळालं तर खूप 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 मोठा तो एक आनंद असेल आमच्यासाठी.
This moment, bro, tell us how was that moment for you at that time? I think राहुल द्रविड़ ने चेयर मारा था या कुछ तो चेयर को लात मारा था. टोपी फेंकी थी. Tell us that.
So I don't know what happened in the dugout.
हाँ.
But I'll tell you what was going on in our dugout जब Ambati Rayudu got run out.
हाँ.
So no one knew. Both the dugouts didn't know what will happen because scores were leveled.
हाँ.
ऐसा था कि 14.3 पे MI should chase that target.
हाँ.
But no one thought either we'll chase it or we won't chase it. No one thought that we will be equal with RR at 14.3. No one anticipated that equation. So both dugouts were confused. And then I think suddenly their dugout found out that probably they've qualified. MI doesn't have a chance. Then the news came that we still, if we hit a boundary on the next 3 balls,
You all will qualify.
we can still qualify. And I was going into bat. And there was Harbhajan Singh also, who's
Jo
also a
pinch
power
hitter
hitter. Who's also a power hitter. No one had a doubt or anything because I was batting next. I was batting at number 6 for MI that season. So I was just waiting whether the Rohit or Anil Bhai would change the decision or send Bhaji Bhai to bat, but no one said anything. They just yeah, you're the one, just go.
कुछ बोला आपको उसके पहले कुछ करना है कुछ नहीं करना है?
No, they just
Rohit was captain, right?
Rohit was captain. DJ was the video analyst. Anil Bhai was there, and they were like, you just have to hit a boundary. We still have a chance if you hit a 6. First, the message was you hit a 6. So I said, okay. It's a 50-50 chance. I'll either hit it or I'll miss it. So when I went in again, this guy, Apurva Wankhede, came in running again. He said, even if you hit a boundary, we can qualify. So don't worry about a 6. But by then I had made up my mind.
ये 6 मारना ही
6 ही मारना है, चांस नहीं लेना भाई, पूरा ही दम लगा के मारेंगे. And if you see in the history of cricket, इतना टाइम एक बॉल के पीछे नहीं हुआ होगा. There was so much gap, like everyone was thinking what to do, what will happen, between 14.3 and 14.4. That one delivery took about 10-12 minutes, I think, more than that. And then there was a mini meeting of the RR team, you know, what fields to have, what we can do to, you know, protect this boundary or a 6 or whatever. So they set up the field, and that day, you know, at the Wankhede, the leg side when I was batting, leg side was a shorter boundary.
Okay.
Offside was a longer
Longer
boundary. Okay. So they set up a field for a bouncer.
Okay.
Because they had mid-on, mid-off up, mid-wicket up, 2 fielders, deep square leg and fine leg behind. Offside they had third man and deep point. And the deep point was slightly here, so if it's a bouncer, it will go there.
Right.
So the plan was clear, they'll bowl a bouncer. But I knew that that's a bluff because the leg side is a shorter boundary.
Right.
So even if at top edge it'll go the distance.
Right.
So I knew he's going to go wide Yorker.
Yes.
With that field, he's going to bluff and go wide Yorker. So if you see that replay again, no, so I'm already covering the line.
Okay, we are going to step out of the frame. You're going to take us frame by frame through what you did over there.
So I was expecting it to be a wide Yorker outside off stump. So if you see the replay, I had already covered the stumps. And Faulkner unfortunately bowled it on the stumps on my legs. So because I had covered it, it came right here on my legs. And then, you know, it was slightly easier shot. But again, the thing was, I have never middled my first ball ever in my career, you know, right in the middle of the bat. It's the perfect kind of connection that you would expect.
Right.
Or I expected of me, and it had ever happened in my career that the first ball that I'm playing, it's come right in the middle, you know, right at the sweet spot. And it just, if you see the ball, it's just flying. It's just going flat at the first tier. It was crazy. Like the moment was crazy.
And then you went flying right in front of Shane Watson with your shirt
You know,
on.
I played football for OLPS,
Yes,
right?
yes, for our school, yes.
So I was a footballer first before starting off. So that footballer inside of me came out, and
Right.
it was like, whenever I watch a lot of football,
Right.
you know, the World Cups, Premier League, this, that, everything.
Right.
So that goal scorer within me came out on that moment.
Right.
It was a special moment. I mean, to kind of, we lost 5 games in a row in Abu Dhabi in the first of the season. And all I wanted to do was run towards the north stand of the Wankhede Stadium, where, you know, all the Mumbai lovers, the Mumbai local guys are always there packed up in the north stand. I wanted to celebrate that moment with those, you know, fans of MI, those loyal cricket lovers of Mumbai. So I just went over it. It was exactly opposite of the dugout. So if you see, I ran exactly opposite. Normally you want to run towards
the dugout,
towards your teammates, towards the dugout. But I wanted to celebrate it with our fans.
Right.
So I went to the north stand, and the entire dugout followed me to the north stand. You know, they covered almost 80 yards. It was a crazy moment. Like,
This brings us to our next part, the final part of the Tan Ki Baat podcast. यहाँ पर ऐसा होने वाला है कि आदित्य तारे के साथ हम उनके जो एजिलिटी स्किल्स है एज अ विकेट कीपर बैटर वो टेस्ट करने वाले हैं. ये हमारा ये 90s का बैट है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत एक्चुअली बहुत स्पेशल बैट है ये. मुझे सचिन रमेश तेंदुलकर द गॉड ऑफ क्रिकेट उन्होंने साइन करके दिया था व्हेन आई हैड गॉन टू मीट हिम. एंड व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज यू गॉट टू बैलेंस दिस सीजन बॉल. हमारे बॉल भर चुके हैं, बॉल घूमेगा तो पैसा देना पड़ेगा.
sure, 100%.
ठीक है, पहले ही बता रहा हूँ मैं. He's आदित्य तारे, he can afford it. I want, और घुमा गलती से भी तो भाई you have to agree on camera bro.
यार 12 रुपए का ये बॉल.
भाई 12 रुपए क्यों बोल रहे हैं यार? ऐसा नहीं बोल यार, 12 रुपए. It is very expensive. Okay? You have to give wrong answers only. Okay, while balancing, all right?
Okay, sure.
3, 2, 1, start. What is your name?
Arsene Wenger,
Arsene Wenger. What is your profession?
footballer,
What color of jersey do you wear while playing cricket?
black.
What is the caption of Team India?
I have no idea.
एक ओवर में कितने बॉल होते हैं?
12.
किंग कोहली का असली नाम क्या है?
Viral.
स्टंप माइक पे सबसे ज्यादा शांत कौन रहता है?
Rishabh Pant.
Ooh. What is Aditya Tare's favorite food?
Punjabi.
Oh. What does Adi do in the cricket team? Like what role does he play?
Water boy.
He's continuing. See how he balances life. See how he's balancing the balls so beautifully. दूसरा भी देना. Let me see. Throw.
Are you serious?
Yes. Adi, come on.
It's not a juggling thing.
I know, but you have juggled so many things. Let's go. 2, 3, 1, let's go.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. This is what I wanted for our promo. इसको काट देना, 3 बार दिखा देना. Aditya Tare with us over here today on the Tan Ki Baat podcast.